This is JJ with the Writing Center at CU Denver. This second podcast about the known new contract explains what we call the fork method. This builds on some of the concepts from our first podcast about the chain method, so for a brief explanation about what the known new contract is, check out the first podcast. Let's take a look at these three sentences. We can think of sentences as containing topics with comments, as we can see in these examples. These examples show multiple thoughts on one topic, rock climbing, and each sentence provides a different comment on that single topic. If you look at these sentences in connection with one another, you'll see how each sentence provides a little more detail than the previous one. Each new comment allows the reader to further develop an understanding of one topic. This is one example of the known new contract. We like to think of this type of idea progression as a fork, with each sentence providing an additional comment to a singular topic. But repeating the topic again and again is boring for the reader, so consider using pronouns or other terms to rename the topic without being too repetitive. Here's a more complicated example to further illustrate how the fork strategy works. The visual may help you to see how ideas build off one another. You can think of the square as the topic and the circles as the comments, or the square as the known information and the circles as new information. This differs from the chain method discussed in the first podcast because the comment from one sentence does not become the topic of the next. Instead, with the fork method, the topic and focus remains singular. As you can see, the bolded text, which are all represented by the black square A in the image, all refer to studies, with each sentence offering new information about that one topic. For more information, visit these resources or check out our other podcasts on the known new contract.